Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas. So today is the Sunday before Christmas. I don't even know what day it is anymore. I think it's the 18th. But we are going to be doing some holiday shopping and prepping for Christmas. So it is Sunday, so we do need to do a few errands. We really need to clean the house. Even though we're not hosting, it just needs to be cleaned. And yeah, I figured I would just vlog, and I don't know when we're going to put this one up. So we are going to go pick up my dress that we are going to wear for Christmas Eve, and then just look around because I don't think I bought myself a Christmas present yet. So we'll see. Yeah, we're going to get some coffee first at Starbucks and then head to Nordstrom. Okay, y'all, so I picked up this gorgeous dress at Nordstrom from Free People. I absolutely love it. So it comes in black. This is the chocolate, and then it also comes in a green. And I just really loved the chocolate and thought it was perfect. So I picked this up, and this is what I'll be wearing Christmas Eve. And then I picked up a few things from Spade. So they had these adorable diamond polar bear studs. They had a bracelet too, but it looked really small. The necklace was really extravagant, so I just got the studs. And then if you saw I think what I got for my birthday video or one of my previous vlogs, I got the matching bracelet and studs, and then they had the necklace. So I picked up the necklace, and then they had the polar bear liquid case for the 12 Pro Max, which is my work phone. So I picked this up. I think everything was 70% off since it's like for Christmas. But here is the tote that I purchased in the last haul, and the polar bear matches perfectly with everything, so I'm really excited for that. Plus it's not like fully Christmas. I think I mentioned that the last time, so I can definitely wear these in the winter. And excuse the lighting, but then we got this adorable handbag from Michael Kors, and this is my Christmas present to myself. This is the Avril Tote, and y'all, I've been looking for a bag with like this style in particular. I haven't went into Michael Kors in a while. I still get like Michael Kors heels because I love the quality, but I just haven't loved like the style of bags. As you know, I've mainly been leaning more towards Tory Burch, but this was in the window display, and I've been looking for a bag exactly like this. I tried getting one at Ralph Lauren on Black Friday, and it was too small, and this was like the perfect size. I absolutely love the style. So if y'all watch Schitt's Creek, Alexis Rose actually has a tote similar to this, and I've been like on the hunt for one of the same style just because I just loved it. I thought it was so trendy and just like a classic bag, and I think it was 70% off, and it was like $4.58, so it was like $130 something. I believe I spent like $140 with tax. And inside the bag, I'll do a separate video if y'all want on what fits, but you have so much space. You essentially just have the base of the leather portion, but what I love is just this style. It's smooth leather handles, and then you have a leather center, and then it's like a velvet side. There were so many different bags that I actually really liked in Michael Kors, but I really would just want like simple solid tone bags. But this drew me into the store, and I had to get it. I went straight for this bag. It was the last one, and I'm so glad I was able to grab it because I've just been looking for a bag like this, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So yeah, that is everything that I got for myself for Christmas, and that is going to be it for this video. I will have another video of what I got for Christmas, and then We're going to continue with the planner videos. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.